Attorney Lorna.
Ma'am Lorna.
Yeah.
Attorney, reaction lang po dun sa ruling ng impeachment court na wala daw pong conflict of interest on the part of Attorney Poa.
I agree. I agree with the ruling of the presiding judge. No? Tayong mga lawyers, syempre, meron tayong mga ibang kliyente. But as lawyer, I don't think he is here acting in his capacity as lawyer. And lawyers are entitled to defend their clients. Ibang personality ni Attorney Poe in this case. At sabi nga niya, no, presiding presiding officer, he is not a respondent, hindi naman siya ang respondent or the accused dito. Wala tayong conflict of interest. I totally agree.
Ma'am, Presiding Officer Escudero found several discrepancies in terms of the computation of the witness. How fatal is that to the testimony? Or do you feel that that would not crack the story that you're trying to tell?
I don't think there were any discrepancies. No? Kasi, alam mo, pag tinatanong mong witness, remember there are two officers here. There are two offices here, no? OVP, tsaka DepEd. At tsaka merong last quarter, at tsaka for 2022. At may three quarters, may quarter 1, 2, and 3 for 2023, no? Unless you're looking at the document, it is easy to forget the figures. But when you look at the documents, wala namang discrepancy between the figures of the presiding judge, as mentioned, and the figures of our witness.
Ma'am, yung ano lang, yung pagkaka-add,
Kasi-
Senator Cheese brought that
it's
up
just
earlier.
kasi one figure, hindi na-add yung 10 million. Pag in-add naman yung 10 million, consistent naman.
So it's not fatal to your case?
So not only is it not fatal, there were no discrepancies.
Okay. Attorney, pina-float din kasi ng defense at ng ibang senator judges ay itong notice of disallowance, notice of suspension ay mga preliminary findings lang ito at hindi sila conclusive. Kung na-misappropriate yung funds, ano pong response doon ng prosecution?
I think very clear ang circular, no? Pag may notice of disallowance, at naging final na yan. Kasi after the notice of disallowance, pwede kang magpa-review sa commission proper. Pag naglabas na ang commission proper at may motion for reconsideration na denied, final na yon, executory. Pag executory, miski na umakyat ka sa Supreme Court on grave abuse of discretion, pwede nang hingin ng gobyerno, ibalik nyo. At ngayon, as we note, kasi apat yan eh. Yung una, with notice of disallowance, 78 million. Tama yon for the last quarter of December 21, 2022. Pero ang hindi pa na-mention kasi beyond the scope ng testimony, ang witness na to, meron na rin notice of disallowance. Ang quarter 1, quarter 2, at quarter 3. Totaling 375 million. So hindi lang isa. Isa lang ang na-testify ng witness, but mamaya, yung next witness namin will testify to 3 others. No? For the 3 quarters, ang total is 375 million in disallowance.
Ito na po yung 2023 na disallowance. Tama po.
2023 disallowance.
Thank you, Attorney.
Attorney, if in case po na napatunayan na merong conflict of interest si Attorney Poa, ano po yung possible na pwedeng mangyari? Tanggalin siya sa defense panel?
No, it's very clear. I respect the decision. I'm very clear on the decision. There is no conflict of interest of Attorney Poa.
And even on the part of the prosecution, you don't think na may conflict of interest in the first place?
There is no conflict of interest, and I think it is ethical that he represents his client based on what he feels he should be doing.
Thank you.
Thank you po.